Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Shwarji Doshi, working as a lecturer at Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Bandera, Amravati. Today I deliver incubator demonstration. First of all, see the introductions of the incubator. Incubator in a microbiology is an insulated and enclosed device that provide the optimal conditions for the temperature, humidity and other environmental conditions required for the growth of the organism. An incubator is a piece of the vital laboratory equipment necessary for the cultivation of microorganism under the artificial conditions. In incubator can be used for the cultivation of both unicellular or multicellular organisms. A microbial incubator is made up of various units, some of which are cabinet. These are the cabinet. The cabinet is main body of the incubator consisting of the double walled cuboidal enclosure with a capacity ranging from 20 to 800 liters. The outer wall is made up of stainless steel, while the inner wall is made up of aluminium. The space between the two walls filled with the glass wool to provide the insulations to the incubator. The insulation prevents heat loss and it turns reduce the electric consumptions, thereby ensuring the smooth working for the device. The inner wall of the incubator provides with the inward projection the support the shells present inside the incubator. This is the inner door. This is the outer door. The door is present in all the incubator to close the insulated cabinets. The door also has insulations of its own. It is also provided with a glass that enables the visualizations to the interior of the incubator during the incubations without disturbing the interior environment. A handle is present to the outside of the door to help the maneuvering of the door. This is the control panel. On the outer wall of the incubator is a control panel with the all switches and indicators that allow the parameters of the incubator to be controlled. The control panel also has to switch the control the thermostat of the device. This is the thermostat. Thermostat is to be set the desired temperature of the incubator. After the desired temperature is reached, the thermostat automatically maintains the incubator at the temperature until the temperature is changed again. This is the perforated shelves. Bound the inner walls are some perforated shelves into which plate with the culture media are placed. The perforations on the shelves allow the movement of the hot air through the inside the incubator. In some incubators, the shelves are removable shelves, which allows the shelves to be cleaned properly. This is the asbestos door gasket. The asbestos door gasket provides an almost airtight seal between the door and the cabinet. This seal prevents the outside air from entering the cabinet and thus creating the isolated hot environment inside the cabinet without being interrupted by the external environment. Okay. Then a principle of the incubator. An incubator is based on the principle the microorganism require the particular set of the parameter for the growth there and the development. Incubator are based on the concept that when the organism are provided with the optimal conditions of the temperature, humidity, oxygen and the carbon dioxide level, they grow and divide to form the more organism. In an incubator, the thermostat maintains the constant temperature that can be read from the outside via the thermometer. The temperature is maintained by utilizing the heating and no heating cycle. During the heating cycle, the thermostat heats the incubator, and during the no heating period, the heating is stopped and the incubator is cooled by radiating the heat to the surrounding. Insulation from the outside creates an isolated condition inside the cabinet, which allows the microbes to grow effectively. Similarly, other parameters like humidity and airflow are also maintained through the different mechanisms that create the environment similar to the natural environment of the organism. Similarly, they are provided with the adjustment for the maintaining the concentration of CO2 to balance the pH and humidity required for the growth of the organism. Variations of the incubator like shaking incubator, it's also available, which allows for the continuous movement of the culture required for the cell aeration and solubility studies. Ensure that the incubator is properly connected to the power supply. Then switch on the main supply. Turn on the red color. Let power knob towards the 0 to 1. Then turn on the cooling knob towards 1 to 0. Pause. Then place the petri plate containing agar medium in downward direction. Close the door. Then set the incubator at 20 degrees Celsius. Set the lower temperature 21 degrees Celsius, pressing the set point, and simultaneously adjust the temperature with the screw of set and reset button by the screwdriver. Set the higher temperature 23 degrees Celsius by the pressing the set point 2, and simultaneously adjust the temperature with the help of the screw of set button. In the same manner, the incubator can be set 37 degrees Celsius, 44 degrees Celsius and 55 degrees Celsius whenever required by the setting the lower temperature to 36 degrees Celsius, 43 degrees Celsius and 54 degrees Celsius respectively. By the setting the higher temperature to the 38 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius and 56 degrees Celsius respectively. Then record the temperature twice the daily, that is in the morning and the evening. The temperature should not differ plus minus 2 degrees Celsius from the set temperature. Then uses of incubator. Incubator have the wide range of the application in various areas including the cell culture, pharmaceutical studies and hematological studies and biochemical studies. Some of these uses of the incubator. First one, incubators are used to grow microbial culture or the cell culture. Incubators can also used to maintain the culture of organism to be used later. Some incubators are used to increase the growth of the rate of the organism, having the prolonged growth rate in the natural environment. Specific incubators are used for the reproductions of the microbial colonies and the subsequent determinations of the biochemical oxygen level. These are also used for the breeding of insect and the hatching the eggs in the zoology department. Incubator also provide the controlled conditions for the sample storage before they can be processed in the lab. Then some precautions take care for the incubator. The following precautions are not to be followed. First one, as a microorganism are susceptible to temperature change, the fluctuation in the temperature of the cabinet by repeatedly opening the door should be avoided. The required parameter growth of the organism should be made before the culture plates are placed inside the cabinet. The plate should be placed upside down with the lid at the bottom to prevent the condensation of the water on the media. Then fourth one, the inside of the incubator should be cleaned regularly to prevent the organism from the setting of the shells or the corner of the incubator. While the running the incubator for an extended period of time, sterile water should be placed underneath the shells to prevent the culture media from the drying out. Thank you.